Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today I'm going to share with you how you can get out of this lovely polka dot ribbon. It is, to be honest, it's polka dot tulle ribbon. So I'm going to share with you how you can get many colors. So I done this card, all note cards. I didn't put no greeting on it because I'm like, I can use it for whatever. So just little note card that I did. So this one is in the rich raspberry, and this is pool party on the side. I'm way off here. Here we go. And then I get the cherry cobbler. And now we're going to do Bermuda Bay, and we're going to crank it up a notch. We're going to have two colors. I want to share one important tip first. Let's say, and I forgot my blank piece. Here we go. Let's say that you're doing it on white paper. Well, what happens when you do it on white? It's hard to tell if you do it all the dots. See, when I put it on black, there you can see I miss it. So that's how I colored it. Just take your blender pens and don't press hard because those tips are fragile, and this tool, it's kind of rough. So really, I just dab it. See, dab, dab, dab. I don't really rub my tip on it. I just dab it. Now, if you want to do a knot like what we're doing on this card, you're going to have to turn it around and do the same thing. Because if you don't do it in the back when you do a knot, you're going to have the white spot too. So I did the same thing with the yellow, just, you know, do. And it's easy to see through, really, if you got it or not. One thing, see my hands are all messy there? When you put it on this, when it's, oops, that was green. If it's not dry, then it's going to transfer to your hands. So I did a few, and you can see it's show the love of my creation, put it that way. So again, if you put a piece of black, that's going to help a lot. Now what I done for the card, very, very simple. It's 2.5 by 3 1/4, I think. 2 1/4 by 3, and this is 2.5 by 3 1/4. I knew it was something like that. Now we're going to mount that together. Now, my goodness, did I forget my brain here? Everything gets shoved to one place to the other, and I get two, so I don't know why. I think it's when I gather my card and that it go at the other end. But you guys know that. If you've been following me for a while, you know that's typical out of me. Now I'm going to take this. This is about 8 inch if you're wondering. And I thought it's very cool when I get the double colors like that. I'm just doing, I start with 2 finger, but really it's 1. And I just do a knot. And this is tools. So you have, it's kind of like stretch, or it grabs. So just pull a little bit more than a soft ribbon. See, I just, here we go. Now we're going to take this, put our glue in the back. Now I'm going to do this one right here in the center. And this is Daffodil Delight. So this measures 5 by 1.5. Because this is just a note card that I'm doing. I love the note cards. Absolutely love the note cards. Now I'm going to put that there right at the stem. That's where I'm going to put the knots. So it's kind of put that in the back, put that in the back. So that is why when you get a knot like that, you want it on both sides, because it's going to flip, you know, one side flip down. Go diagonal and poof and poof. And you get your lovely little bow that's perfect for anybody that is challenged, put it that way. I think I want another little banner on that one. What I done, like the red one, I just took a piece of scrap white here. I don't even know what that measure. That measure 3/4, not quite, yep, 3/4. And the length, it's not important because it's going to get shoved under. And I cut in the center on each side, make a quick, here we go. And this one, I'm going to put it right here. Here we go, put that down. Now usually I would have curled that before, but let's take this here. Here we go. So now you get your polka dot in 2 tones. Let's make sure this is, here we go. You get the cherry cobbler and you get the rich raspberry with this ribbon. How cool is that? So I will have all the supplies on my blog just below. Click on that. It's going to bring you to this blog post or above in the description. At the description below or above in the eye. So this is it for now, my friend. Till next time, happy stamping and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.